In this tutorial, we're going to take a look how to build a landing page in Mailchimp. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go to create, as you can see here, and then just choose landing page. And after that, just add a name and click begin. And now we are building our landing page. And here you have the logo. When you select, you can simply just go to the content, as you can see here, and then you can just click here, and then go to my logo and just upload your logo. In here, where you add the title, as you can see here, or the heading one. So we're gonna do something like that. You can also select the text, and then you can go to the styles and select the heading 1. And if you go to the font, you can choose a font from those options. If you select also, you can change the alignment, as you can see here. And if you want to change the color, you click here and you can change the color. Also, you can select and add some effects if you want. And then you have also a description. So if you want to add a description, you simply tell your customers about your product. So we're gonna add just this text. I'm gonna select. Also, you can do the same thing. You can change the style, as you can see here. And also you can change the font if you want. And then we have this button. So simply you can just select web address, and then you can add your link here. Then you can also change the button text. So we have buy now. You can do something like, you can do shop now. If you want, when someone click on this button, open this in a new window, you simply click advanced options, and you can select this option, open in a new window. If you go to the style, you can also change the color of the button if you want. As you can see here, you can choose the color that you want. And if you want to add a shadow, you can select from those options. And also, if you want to change the font, you can change it from here. If you want to change the size, the color of the text, and also you can add some spacing if you want, etc, etc. And if you go here, you have two options. You have blocks and you have style. If you go to the blocks, as you can see here, you have text. This is simply, you can just drag, and then if you want to add a description, as you can see here, you can add a description, and it's the same thing. You can select and change or add effects, change the style, etc, etc. If you want to move this text, you simply just click here, as you can see, and just drag. You can just drag. If you want to edit this text, you click here on this icon. If you want to duplicate this text, you just click here. If you want to remove this text, you simply just click on this button and then click delete. In the box text, you just drag. And as you can see now, the difference between the simple text and the boxed text, you have this box, as you can see here. You have this color around the text. So all you have to do is the same thing, just you can add just text. And also if you go to the style, you can change the box text. This box, you can just go to the, as you can see, style, and then go to the container style, and you can just change the color if you like. You can also add a box shadow, as you can see here. Or you can do none. And also you have the divider. So you can simply just drag. The divider is this line, as you can see here. You can also change the style. You can change the padding top, as you can see here. You can do, for example, 15. And also you can do some padding in the bottom if you want. And also you can do the border top, as you can see here. You can change this line, as you can see here. You can do dotted or double, etc, etc. And also you can change of course the color if you want. Next we have the image. If you want to add an image, you simply just drag the image, as you can see here, and then you can simply just click browse, and then you can add your image. So just go ahead and just click browse, and from here you can add your image by going to my files, and then just select and click insert. Or if you want to upload from your computer, you just simply, as you can see here, click upload, and then you upload your image. So you're going to click insert, and as you can see, we have added the image just right here. When you go to the style, you can add some borders, as you can see, and also you can play around also with those options and see what works for you. If you have a group of images and you want to upload them, you can use the image group, as you can see here. So just drag and then just drop right here, and it's the same game. You just click here and then you just upload your images. If you want to add an image card, you just drag this block, as you can see, and then you can again just click here and upload your image, and then you can add some text. The main difference between the simple image block and the image card, you have this box, as you can see here, and also you can add some text. Simply just you can add some caption right here, as you can see, and also you can select and change the styles, etc, etc. And also we have image plus text. So you just drag. This is the image plus text. In the image plus text, you don't have the box. So simply you can just click browse and then just insert your image, as you can see here. And again, you can add some text if you want, and change the styles, change the font, change the size, change the color, change or add some highlight to your, as you can see here, to your text, etc, etc. If you want people to share your landing page, you simply drag the share block, as you can see here. So simply, as you can see here, you have the Facebook and you have the Twitter, and also you can add another service like Pinterest, and then you can change the link text, as you can see here. You have pin, and if you go to the style here, you can change the container style, as you can see here. So simply just by clicking, and then you can change this, or you can do no color. Also, if you scroll down, you have the button style. So if you want to change again the style, simply you can just select the color, and also you can do borders if you want. There's also some other options, and if you want to change the text style, you just simply go to the text style, and then you can change the font, you can change the size, the color, etc, etc. If you want to add your social media accounts, you just drag social follow, as you can see here, and then here you have the Facebook. You can just add your Facebook URL. You can also change the link text, as you can see here. You have Facebook, you can change it if you want, and you have the Twitter. you can also add the link here, and you can add your website, or you can click here, and from here you can just click on this drop down menu, and there's so many options that you can also add. If you want to add a sign up form, you just drag this, and then you have these options. So for example, of course you're gonna add the email address, and also if you want to add a first name, you just click here. You can make it required if you want. Also, you can add a last name, make it required if you like. And there's also some other options. If you scroll down, here you have the button. So you have this button, as you can see, it says subscribe. And also you have this text, you can change it if you like. You can do sign up or join. In here you have send to. So after your customers click subscribe, where you want to send them. So here you have the confirmation message that it says by default it's confirmation message. So you can click here to preview what it says. So as you can see, it says success, you've been added to the audience. So you can do confirmation message, or you can send them to a specific web address. You can send them to your blog or watch a video or whatever. So you're gonna just do a confirmation message. In here, in the confirmation message, if you want to change this text, you can change it here, and again you can change the font and the styles, etc, etc. And also you have the video. So you can, if you want to add a video, you just drag, and then you just here you just add the video URL from Vimeo or whatever, and then you have the styles. You can of course change the styles, etc, etc. As you can see here, when we go to the style, you can go to the page. If you go to the header, you can change the color, as you can see here, or you can do an image instead. And as you can see now, we have added our logo, and we have added the heading, and we have added the shop now button. If you scroll down, as you can see here, based on the template that we choose, you can go here and go ahead and add some images of your products, as you can see here. And again, you can add some descriptions. Here you can add the reviews. And this is the footer. If you want to delete this text, you just simply click here and you can delete this text. At the end, what you can do, you can click preview to see how your landing page look like. After that, you just click save. And here, the most important thing, which is the URL. So you can click edit URL. If you have a domain name, you can connect that by clicking here. Or if you want to use a free domain name, you can just change the title of your landing page. As you can see here, we have added the test. So you can change that just here. After that, just click save. And to publish your site, you just click publish. And the URL, you can copy your URL and you will find your landing page live. That's it. For more tutorials, smash like button and subscribe.